So when we read Srila Prabhupada's book, so we also read in Satogun, Rajogun and Tamogun. Okay. So Sattvic reading is very seamless, effortless, easily gets digested, focus is there and you absorb everything, and it is very pleasurable experience to read in Satogun. But we also read books in Rajogun. In Rajogun, whenever you open the book, at that time there opens the checklist, to-do list. ये भी तो करना, ये भी तो करना, ये भी तो करना, ये भी तो करना, ये भी तो करना है. उसको मैसेज करना था. अरे मार्केट से लेके आना था. In Rajogun, we tend to read books very fast so that I can complete the book and declare to the world, मैंने Bhagavad Gita complete कर लिया. In Rajogun, we read books very fast without knowing the essence. नहीं समझ आ रहा था, कोई नहीं यार, पढ़ा हुआ आ गए. Every day 40 pages. 40 pages. My sadhana chart, 40 pages. Yes. Now my counselor would be happy. Read 40 pages. So without reading the essence, without taking the essence, one just skims through. So that I can say, yes, I have read Bhagavad Gita and Srimad Bhagavatam and Chaitanya Charitamrita. I gone through them. तो सर समझ में क्या आया आपको? कुछ नहीं. And such people, they also read other books as well. They do not read the core books, but other books, so that there is more masala which can be shared. So when masala oriented reading is there, that's Rajogun. There is also Tamogun in reading. As soon as you open the book, drool is there on the books. किताबें गीली कर दी इन्होंने सलाइवा से अपनी. धर 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 धर. Oh, sorry भागवतम. काला अक्षर भैंस बराबर. कहता क्या चल रहा है भाई? What is this अचिंत्य भेदा भेद? क्या है ये oneness and difference? What's this, man? Oh. Or we see books very monotonous, very repetitive. वो बुक्स क्या है? देखो मोटा मोटा उसके अंदर क्या है? आत्मा, परमात्मा, कृष्ण परम भगवान है, चैंटिंग हरे कृष्णा करना, काम क्रोध मत है, और गोलोक वृंदावन, मोटा मोटा यही है. यही तो है. और क्या है? यही तो है ना. I am not the body, I am soul. Krishna is supreme personality of Godhead. You have lust, anger, greed, pride, envy, illusion. Chant Hare Krishna, be happy, go back to Godhead. यही तो है. क्या पढ़ेंगे बार बार भाई? छोड़ो यार. So either we take books very easy, or we take them too tough to be understood, or we find them very repetitive. But repetition is required to drive the point home. So repetition is required.